Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Understanding your options. There are a few legitimate ways to use WhatsApp without your primary phone number. The most popular method involves using a secondary phone number, a virtual number service, or accessing WhatsApp web on your computer. Each approach has different requirements and benefits depending on what you're trying to accomplish. Step 2. Setting up a virtual phone number. You'll want to download an app like Google Voice, TextMe, or a similar virtual number service. Create an account, choose your virtual number from the available options, and verify it works by receiving a test text message. This number will act as your replacement for WhatsApp verification purposes. Step 3. Installing WhatsApp on a new device. Download the WhatsApp application from the official App Store on your phone. Open the app and you'll be prompted to enter a phone number. Here's where you use your virtual number instead of your real one. The app will send a verification code to that virtual number. Step 4. Completing the verification process. Check your virtual number app for the incoming verification code. It usually arrives within seconds. Enter that code into WhatsApp to complete your setup. You can now use WhatsApp with this alternative number. Step 5. Securing your new account. Set up two-factor authentication immediately in WhatsApp settings to protect your account. Add a profile picture and set your status so contacts recognize you. Remember to keep your virtual number active and funded if required by the service you chose.